Welcome back to my garage. All right, so here is what post-winter and spring has gotten me. So this should all look familiar. Nothing much has moved. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my garage. We are officially into a Minnesota spring. Welcome the warm weather, and we literally go from like freezing cold to rainy to it's gonna be like almost 80 degrees today. So it's the first day back in the garage, and I am determined to take back my garage this summer. Now this will probably be a series of at least 3, maybe 4 videos, because as you can see, there is so much in this garage that it's going to take me a while. So the plan for summer is, today I'm going to begin setting up for a garage sale. Quite a bit of the stuff in some of the piles are things from my home that we no longer want. And I could just go donate them, but because of the massive quantity, I decided, what the heck, let's try a garage sale. Now I will say, when we bought our first home about 12 years ago, I did a garage sale, and at that garage sale I said it will never be worth it for me to do a garage sale again. I didn't like this experience. I will just be a donator. I will donate everything, and I have done that up till now. But again, because I did some massive purging during 2020, there's just so much that I decided, what the heck, let's give this garage sale another try. So I'm going to be doing a garage sale, then donating what is left, and then moving on to the Tupperware that you see behind me. So doing the garage sale should clear out a lot of space so that I can get more Tupperware out in the Tupperware sale. Now with the Tupperware sale, there will be at least 2 separate sales that I do, one at the beginning of summer and one near the end of summer. My goal is to get rid of absolutely as much as possible that is in this garage. So I'm hoping what you see today, from day 1 of our garage clean out to what you see at the end of summer, which will likely be end of August, beginning of September, kind of that back to school time, a drastic difference in what this space looks like. So without further ado, I know I have to get my hair up because it is going to be hot here soon. I've got sunscreen because I will be going in and out, making some different piles, and I am ready to see this transformation, and I wish it was already. No, I don't want to give up my summer. So I'm not ready for fall yet, but I'm ready to see the difference in this garage. Without further ado, let's get this going. Fast motion. All right. Thank you for tuning in. have to get this over there. This over all this to over there. I didn't plan this the right way. Okay, it is early morning, the day I was supposed to start my garage sale. But we had lots of rain last night, or yesterday and last night, so the plan got kaputted. But my husband and my son are still sleeping. Once they are up, they're gonna come help me, but I'm gonna go get things started. We're gonna pull this off. I'm still gonna do it tomorrow and Friday. Today is, we'll see. But the plan is to, once this is set up around, if it's gonna be 8, so around 11 o'clock noon, that we just throw out the signs and get started. So, let's do this. I have to go in through the house because I can't get through there. yet. And I have to get my spider gloves. Spider gloves. We had a drama inside and I had to help take care of it. So it's been a while since I've been out here. All right, let's see, several hours of work. I have a lot of stuff marked, not everything, but I figure I'll deal with that when it comes. But this is what it all turned into with the help of my husband. I gotta get some stuff still marked. So I will say I do not know how to mark things for a garage sale. It's not my, I don't garage sale. And then all of that I still have to go through, but it's just at least out of the garage. And these boxes. So much stuff. But I wanted to give you a little update on where we're at. So the sale, the signs are out, but I have not had any customers because my husband just got back from setting out signs. So wish me luck.